Hi, my name is Sagi Haviv, and I'm a partner and designer at Shamayef Geismar Haviv in New York City. Over the years, our company has designed some visual identities you might recognize, like those for National Geographic, NBC, Animal Planet, Mobil Oil, Chase Bank, and the US Open. When people ask me what I do, I tell them that identity design is a search for essence. This means initially listening, observing, learning, meeting, understanding, rephrasing, and even challenging. And only then we start sketching and drawing, which takes place on a continuum between distinction and simplicity. How special can we make a mark while still keeping it simple? How simple can we make it without becoming generic? The beauty is in the balance. Every design is a solution to a problem. Our practice is a response to a client's needs. But the difference between good work and great work is the search for something beyond solving a problem. We're looking for an artistic quality. In this Domestika course, I will guide you through this creative process using basic principles of logo design, and I will share with you experiences we had with some of my studio's most prestigious clients. Through the process of working on a logo and identity for a client, we will explore our own identity as graphic designers. Who do we want to be as practicing professionals? This course will help you elevate your work and your portfolio. As a final project, you will learn to create a logo design for your own client and to build a convincing case. First, we will talk about what it means to be a designer and an expert. We will define the criteria for an effective logo and analyze some of the designs that you submitted to us. We will then put the theory into practice and walk through a real-life logo design project. We will go out into the field to find and meet a client. Next, we will follow the process of interviews, analysis, design strategy, and concept development that we went through with Harvard University Press. Finally, we will demonstrate how the logo comes to life in applications and how to develop a comprehensive presentation in order to build a case for your design and be prepared to deal with a challenging client. At the end of this course, you will have the tools to practice identity design professionally. This course is for any creative who seeks to gain perspective on their career path, maximize their talent, and in the process, learn to create an effective logo that can become the cornerstone of a great portfolio. Let's create something new that over time will have the potential to become iconic.